In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a bank deposit in QuickBooks Online. Managing your deposits efficiently is crucial for keeping your business's financial records accurate and up to date. With these steps, we'll walk through the process to ensure you're well equipped to handle it yourself. First things first, open up Google Chrome and head over to QuickBooks.intuit.com. On this page, you'll find the option to sign in. Click on that and enter your credentials to access QuickBooks Online. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, enter your details and log in. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to where we need to be. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a plus icon labeled Plus New. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a menu with various options for transactions you can record. Under the Other section, select Bank Deposit. This selection will lead you to a new page where you'll enter the details of your bank deposit. Once you're in the bank deposit area, you'll need to select the account that you want to deposit the funds into. Look for the drop-down menu at the top of the page where you can choose the appropriate bank account. This is an important step because you want to make sure the deposit is linked to the right account for accuracy in your accounting records. Now it's time to enter the details of your deposit. You'll see various fields where you need to input information. Start by entering the date of your deposit. It's always a good idea to double check this date to match the date you made the deposit. Next, in the Received From dropdown, select the customer or vendor who provided the check. This helps ensure that you maintain a clear record of where the funds came from. Following that, move to the Account drop-down and choose whether this deposit relates to an income account or an accounts receivable account. It's crucial to categorize it correctly for your financial statements. Then enter the amount of the check. If you're depositing multiple checks or payments at once, you'll have the option to add each as a separate line for clarity. If you'd like to add any notes or memos about the deposit, you can do this in the memo section. While this step is optional, it can be quite helpful for keeping track of specific details or reminders related to the deposit. Finally, once you've reviewed all the information and everything looks correct, proceed by clicking Save and Close. This finalizes the deposit and records it in your QuickBooks Online account. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a bank deposit in QuickBooks Online. Keeping these deposits organized and correctly entered will make a significant difference when you review your financial statements. Practice these steps regularly and it'll soon become second nature. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.